Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we have a battle of the bots. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum on the left and the Tikom Robot Vacuum on the right. It's a clash of the titans, or at least, a clash of the tiny floor-sucking robots. Who's going to win the title of Best Robot Vacuum? Let's find out. First up, we have the Shark AI Ultra, boasting incredible suction that can pick up dirt and debris on all floor types. Reviewers mention that it's like a mini tornado in your living room. On the other hand, the Tikom Robot Vacuum flexes with 3,000 pascals of strong suction. According to reviews, it's ready to tackle pet hair, dust, and even those pesky crumbs you dropped during your Netflix binge. While both vacuums excel in suction power, if you need something that can handle a heavier load of pet hair and debris, Tikom might have the edge here. Shark AI Ultra uses 360 degrees LiDAR vision to map your home. It's like a tiny, diligent explorer with a PhD in geography. Reviews highlight its precision matrix grid cleaning that ensures no spots are missed. Tikom, not to be outdone, also has 360 degrees LiDAR navigation and can store up to 5 maps. Multi-floor family? Tikom's got you covered. It even has systematic path planning to avoid repeating or missing spots. Reviewers love this feature for larger homes. Both are exceptional, but Tikom's multi-floor capability gives it a slight edge here. Shark AI Ultra empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. Reviewers love not having to buy disposal bags and appreciate the low maintenance. Tikom, however, doesn't have a self-emptying feature, which means you'll have to empty it yourself. Reviewers note this as a significant downside. Shark takes this round easily, offering a more convenient and hands-off experience. Shark AI Ultra has a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors. Reviewers praise its effectiveness, especially in homes with pets. Tikom is no slouch either, with its strong suction and 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping capabilities. However, it lacks a self-cleaning brush roll. Reviewers find Shark's self-cleaning brush roll more effective for pet hair. Shark wins this round too, especially for pet owners. Shark AI Ultra features extended runtime with recharge and resume. It'll return to the dock, recharge, and pick up where it left off. Reviewers appreciate this feature for larger homes. Tikom offers a 150-minute runtime and will also recharge and resume. It even sets multiple protections to ensure safety and durability. Reviewers appreciate its reliability and long runtime. This one's a tie, as both bots are in it for the long haul. Shark AI Ultra comes in at a hefty $599. Reviewers note it as a premium choice, but worth the investment for its features. Tikom, on the other hand, is a more budget-friendly $399. Reviewers appreciate its value for money, offering strong performance without breaking the bank. If your wallet is on a diet, Tikom wins this round. Reviewers generally praise both vacuums for their strong suction and advanced navigation features. Shark AI Ultra is highlighted for its convenience with self-emptying and self-cleaning features, making it a premium choice for those willing to invest. Tikom is appreciated for its powerful performance and affordability, making it a great value option for budget-conscious buyers. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for premium features like self-emptying and a self-cleaning brush roll, the Shark AI Ultra is your guy. But if you want strong suction and an all-in-one cleaning solution without emptying your savings account, Tikom is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below on which robot vacuum you'd choose and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep those floors clean.